It's wintertime here in Kentucky, and it's crappy. You can see the snow's melting. It's just raining, gross. Nothing to do but work in the garage on equipment. Here in the shop, got the Ditch Witch SK800. Just put some new tracks on it. Got to do an oil change to it. Over here we got our excavator, Wacker Nueson EZ38. Right now I'm letting the final drive motors drain the oil. So the final drives on this machine have a fill, they have a drain plug, and they have a plug to check the level. So I took out the top, drained the bottom, let it drain. I'm gonna stick an air hose in the top and let some of the oil blow out the bottom just to make sure it's all the old stuff is out before I put new in. Get some air going. Alright, just put a rag underneath the bottom of it to hopefully catch some of that oil. I'm trying to do this one-handed here, so. Well, if you are watching this video, doing this to your Wacker Nueson, the bottom plug is a 8mm Allen, and the middle plug is just a 5mm. I'm going to install the bottom plug back so we can fill it back with new fresh oil. And now I'm going to remove the middle plug so we know where to stop. Final drive motor takes 80 90 weight gear oil. I'm using the Lucas product. Already got the top open, getting ready to stick it in, just start squeezing. As you can see, I filled up the top. It's just starting to come out that inspection hole. It's cold out here, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little while, make sure that oil is, settled down flat. Something tells me I'm gonna make a mess. It wasn't too bad. All right, all I got left to do is grease this machine and do a little vacuuming on the inside. Should be good for the season.